Welcome to a journey of self-discovery. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for manifesting the life you desire, that is visualization. And who better to learn this from than the master himself, Neville Goddard. If you've been exploring the world of manifestation, you may have come across Neville Goddard's transformative teachings. But what makes Neville's approach so unique? And how can you apply his visualization techniques to create lasting change in your life? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step method for visualizing your desires into reality. So if you're ready to unlock the power of your imagination and manifest your desires with confidence, let's jump in. Before diving, I have something for you. Are you ready to bring more positivity, confidence, and peace into your life? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is designed to guide you on an incredible journey of self-transformation. And for just $4.99, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life today. Imagine waking up each day feeling motivated, confident, and filled with purpose. This ebook is here to help you make that vision a reality. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Download the ebook and start embracing a more positive, empowered you. For less than the cost of a coffee, you can take the first step toward real, lasting change in your life. Make the choice to invest in yourself. Get your copy today. Back to the video. Neville Goddard was a visionary teacher who emphasized the mind's power to shape reality. To Neville, visualization wasn't just daydreaming, it was an intentional, disciplined act. Neville believed that the mind's creative powers, when harnessed, could transform dreams into physical reality. He taught that when we visualize something clearly and feel it as if it's happening now, we activate powerful forces within us that make that vision a reality. But for Neville, visualization wasn't just about what we see with our eyes closed. It was about feeling and fully immersing ourselves in the experience. According to him, when you imagine your desire, you should be so wrapped up in it that it becomes more than just a scene. It becomes an experience that moves you deeply. In Neville's words, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. It's about embodying your dream until it feels as natural and real as any experience in your daily life. First step, defining your desire. The first step in any manifestation journey is clarity. Ask yourself, what is it that I truly desire? This is where many people stumble. They have vague dreams or general wishes, but Neville teaches us that to manifest successfully, we need to be clear and specific. Neville advises us to define our desire with clarity. If your desire is to find your dream job, imagine the exact role, the company, the colleagues, and even your daily activities. If your dream is a loving relationship, define the qualities you want in your partner, how it feels to be with them, and the shared experiences you envision. Remember, the universe responds to specificity. Once you are clear on your desire, you're ready to begin the visualization process. Step 2 is to enter a quiet, relaxed state. The next step Neville emphasizes is entering a calm and relaxed state. When our bodies and minds are relaxed, we are more receptive to planting new ideas and beliefs in the subconscious mind. He often recommended performing visualization just before sleep when our minds are naturally transitioning to a slower, more suggestible state. So find a quiet place, take a few deep breaths, and let go of the day's thoughts. As you feel your body relaxing, allow your mind to settle into a calm, peaceful state. This is essential because in this receptive state, you're preparing your mind to accept the images and feelings you're about to create. Step 3. Build a vivid scene of your desire. Now comes the core of Neville's technique, creating a mental scene that represents the fulfillment of your desire. But this isn't just any scene. It's a scene that makes you feel like your desire is already fulfilled. Think of a moment that implies you have already achieved your goal. For example, if you want to manifest a new home, don't just imagine the house itself. Imagine a scene that reflects your life in that home. Picture yourself standing in the kitchen, making breakfast, or sitting in the living room with loved ones, feeling at peace and grateful. Neville taught that you should make this scene as vivid and sensory-rich as possible. Bring in details like colors, textures, sounds, and even smells if you can. If you're visualizing a new job, imagine the feel of shaking hands with a new colleague, the sound of congratulatory words, or the sensation of sitting at your new desk. Let every detail fill your mind. Step 4. Add emotion and feeling. Neville's core teaching on visualization revolves around feeling. It's not enough to just see the scene, you need to feel it as though it's happening now. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude as you experience your desire coming true. This is where many people miss the mark. They visualize but don't attach the necessary emotion to it. He explained that feeling is the force that brings your mental image to life. Feel the pride of achievement, the peace of security, or the thrill of new love. Let these emotions flow through you as you immerse yourself in the scene. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality, so when you experience these emotions, it begins to accept the image as true. Step 5. Live in the end. Living in the end is a fundamental concept in Neville's teachings. This means mentally and emotionally placing yourself at the end of your journey, as if your desire has already come true. This is the key to bridging the gap between imagination and reality. In your mind, keep returning to this feeling of already having achieved your desire. Let the sense of fulfillment guide you, even after your visualization session is complete. When you live in the end, you're aligning yourself with the reality you want, and you send a powerful message to the universe that you're ready to receive it. Step 6. Repeat consistently. Neville often taught that consistency is crucial in the manifestation process. It's not about visualizing once and expecting immediate results. It's about consistently nurturing the image and feeling of your desire. Make visualization a regular practice, and each time you do it, bring the same level of clarity and emotion to it. The more you engage with your vision, the more your subconscious mind accepts it as reality. In other words, by repeating this mental experience, you're training your mind to adopt this new belief, which then translates into physical manifestation. Keep nurturing the feeling of your desire fulfilled until it feels as natural as any other part of your reality. Step 7. Let go and trust. This final step can be challenging but is essential. Once you've visualized your desire, let go of any worry about how it will come to pass. Neville taught that the how is not your concern. Your role is to create the vision and feel it. The universe will take care of the rest. Trust that your desire is unfolding in the perfect time and way. Don't let doubt creep in. Instead, hold on to the conviction that what you imagined is already on its way to you. The moment you release control over the outcome, you allow the universe to work its magic in ways you may never have imagined. Neville Goddard's teachings on visualization are simple yet profound. By practicing these steps, defining your desire, relaxing your mind, building a vivid scene, adding emotion, living in the end, repeating consistently, and letting go, you're aligning yourself with the power of creation within you. Remember, visualization is not just about seeing, it's about embodying, feeling, and living in the state of fulfillment. When you practice this daily with focus and belief, you're drawing your desire closer to you. So, if you're ready to create the life you've always dreamed of, start applying Neville's visualization techniques today. You have the power within you to manifest your highest desires, one vivid, emotionally charged image at a time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with others who are on their manifestation journey. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how visualization is working in your life. Happy manifesting.